Hey, Uncle Nudge here. I'm at my home here and got something really odd. I bought this rock at the Rock Club meeting, and I got it because I was going to cut it open. I believe it's a thunder egg, and it's nice looking, and it was in a plastic bag, and it had the name on the bag, and so I took it out of the bag in the evening, and the next morning it looked like it had bled, like as in a thin blood. And so I wiped it up with the paper towel, and I put the paper towel in a plastic bag, and this is what it looks like now. It turned brown, like blood would do. Now, I haven't tested this or anything, and I assume it's just some fluky thing, but you know, I've heard of the weeping statues and the things that bleed, and it's like, I don't know what to do. Should I cut this open? Should I just keep it as is until I find out more? It's a crazy thing. Let me know what you think. Uncle Nudge, out. See ya.